Hello students, now in the trial balance, let's today solve sum number 4. First of all, we read the sum that from the given information, prepare trial balance of Praveen Patel as on 31st 3 2016. Right? Now this is the sum is given. First of all, we identify that which name of account comes on debit side and which name of account comes on credit side. First of all, opening stock, that is always debit. Then wages, always debit. We have to select debit or credit according to the rules of that accounts, that real account, nominal account and personal account. Sales, that comes on credit. Repairing, debit. Tax, always debit because tax, that is our expenses are always debited. Land and building assets, that is always debit. Plant and machinery, that is also asset, that is also debit. Electricity expense, debit. Capital, credit because owner becomes giver, so credit the giver, so capital is always credit. Office expense, debit. Patent, debit. Bank balance, debit. Loan, bank loan, liability, that is always credit, so bank loan, credit. Carriage inward, debit. Purchase, debit. Carriage outward, also debit. Both inward and outward are debited. Debtors, debit. Cash balance, debit. Loose tools, debit. Creditors, credit. Sundry income, according to the rule of that nominal account, incomes and profits are credited, so sundry income credited. Office furniture, debit, and goodwill is also debit. Now see, I have solved the sum. See the trial balance. I have prepared this in the horizontal form. Name of the account, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. I have written all the name of the account, debit side, and credit balance, credit side, right? So, and then after I have made total comes 69200. Total of both the sides should come same. If it doesn't come same, that means there must be some mistake in your sum, right? So this is how you solve the sum. Write down this sum in your notebook. This is sum number 4, right? Okay, so I'm pausing this video for some few seconds, so you can be able to write down this in your notebook, and you also pause this video and write down this sum in your notebook. Sum number 5. Now in the sum number 5, let us just identify that which name of account comes on debit side and which name of account comes on credit side. Opening stock, debit. Freehold asset, debit. Sundry debtors, debit. Free factory expenses, debit. Purchase of raw material, debit. Then factory rent, debit. Discount allowed, debit. Sundry creditors, always credit. Bad debt reserve, that is also comes on credit side. Commission paid, debit. Office expense, debit. Traveling expense, debit. Bank balance, debit. Loan borrowed, credit. Net sales, credit. Plant and machinery, debit. Wages, debit. Carriage inward, debit. Royalty, debit. Then after, carriage outward, debit. Capital, credit. Discount reserved, credit. Insurance, debit. Commission received, credits. Bad debts, debit. Salary, debit. Legal expense, debit. Cash balance, debit. And office rent, debit, right? So we have identified that which name of account comes on debit side and which name of account comes on credit side. So write down this in this form, or you can write down that in the T formatted statement. Both the solution are correct. So this sum number 5 is the homework, because you just have to write down and transfer into that trial balance only. Now sum number 6 and sum number 7 both are not in our syllabus for this year, so do not solve this sum and do not write down this in your notebook. So in the next video I'll start bank reconciliation statement, next chapter. Alright, okay, so see you tomorrow.